हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कोड टॉपिक। और आज हम लोग करने वाले एक छोटा सा चैलेंज। तो चैलेंज ये होने वाला है, अगर आपको HTML और CSS आता है, आपको लगता है कि आपको HTML और CSS सच में आता है, तो ये चैलेंज आपके लिए होने वाला है। इस चैलेंज में हम लोग ये करने वाले कि आप लोगों का मिलेगा एक मौका। क्या करने के लिए? आप लोगों को बनाना है एक पॉपअप। ओके, लुक सिंपल बट द चैलेंज इज यू नीड टू ओनली यूज HTML एंड CSS। आप सिर्फ HTML और CSS का ही यूज कर सकते हो, JS का नहीं। क्या हम लोग पॉपअप बना सकते हैं? इज इट पॉसिबल? सो विल बी एक्सप्लोरिंग दैट। लेट मी टेल यू हाउ कैन वी डू दैट। ओके, हाउ कैन वी अचीव द सेम। सबसे पहले मैं एक बॉयलर प्लेट यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल करने वाला हूँ। बॉयलर प्लेट इज रेडी। ओके, विथ अ H1 welcome to code Subic. Okay, now with this I want a button, but will not use button actually. Okay, we'll use span wherever we need button. Okay, now click here to pop up, click here to open pop up. Okay, these two things are ready. Now it will not end. Okay, because now we need one more thing. What? Okay, we need one more thing is div. Okay, we need to create a div with ID as pop-up container, or we can use pop-up. Okay, let it be pop-up container. Inside it we need a pop-up. Now inside it we need something to show H1 I am a pop-up. Now with this we want a button, close button, something like that. Okay, we'll again use wherever we want to use button, we'll be using span. Okay, remember, wherever we want to use button, we'll need to use span. In span we'll be writing. For close I'm just putting X. Okay, now we need to design. Complete CSS is empty for now. Okay, I need to edit. And one more thing, we need to import it. Okay, let me import the CSS file. Link CSS. It is style, but our file name is styles, so I need to make it styles. Okay, now it is styles. Now I need to update here. I want to update here, but I want this file to be here so I can see the names. Okay, starting with the global declaration for margin padding 0 and box sizing border box. Now it is done. Next we need to start with the inside tags. What we'll be doing, H1 will be making it in text center. Next we will be doing span is there. Span can be, it is okay for the span. Okay, but we want to put one thing, span should be always clickable. Clickable in the sense we want to make it cursor pointer, so user should understand that we need to click it. Now it is now pop-up container and pop-up. Okay, so we want to design it. These are not for production things, these are just for entertainment kind of things. Okay, you can learn by this, but do not use this kind of CSS in production. Okay, pop-up container. Here what we need to do is we want to design it with, for, as we all know here designing need to be little bit cure. Let me make it red. Now after that we need to add height width. Again same, height 100, width 100. 100 VH 100 VW stands for the complete width. Okay, of the of the complete screen. Whatever is view is how much a user can see, it will color that out. Now our this is done. This is the pop-up. We need to design this pop-up. Okay, before that, okay, one more thing. See, this is a pop-up container is a pop-up. Okay, for the complete container, it is a complete screen pop-up. For that we need to make it position fixed. Okay, position fixed. Once this position fixed is ready, now also one more thing, here we need to add display flex, align item center, justify content center. Okay, oh, align item center, justify content center. Okay, now the pop-up should be in the center. We need to design the pop-up. For designing the pop-up we need to again put position. Actually position is not here needed here. Okay, we don't need that. And here it should not red, because what we usually do now, we do make it transparent. It will be like this. didn't get the blur color. Want to make it black. See, it is now blurry kind of thing. Okay, the color need to be fixed actually. It is not like this. And here light blur is also needed, but it is okay because we want to understand. Okay, pop-up we need to give background color as white. With a height width, copying from here. We cannot give 100. We can give 300 pixels with 600 pixels as width. It is good for now. Okay, now we want to okay, 1 second, it is fixed, right? Okay, see, our position is fixed, but we didn't make it top 0. Now it is okay, right? Okay, because it is a pop-up, I want to make it complete red. I don't want user to see that there is something in the background. Now you cannot see, right? So now we want to do 2 more things. What will we do? One is this cross button to put here. Let's do it. Okay, where is our cross button? It is in span X. We need to add something, okay, to ensure to capture it. ID close. We should make it close button, but it's okay. Let it be. In close, what we need to do is we need to give position. Now see, what should be the position of this? We want to make it relative to the absolute one. So we will be doing this as absolute and this as a relative. Okay, now here we will be adding top. No top is needed. Right as 10 pixels and top as 10 pixels. So I'm expecting it should be in the correct place. But we want to make little bit changes with font width. Font width is to increase the boldness of the texture, okay, and also font. Okay, let me make it bold. Okay, or bolder. Okay, it's now look good. Also want to increase the size. Font size as no, not 100. It should be maximum 25 pixels. Okay. So see, this much it is ready. Now what we want to do? When clicking on this, it should close. It means what will be the initial behavior? Initial behavior, it should be displayed. Okay, this should not be displayed. So I am putting here. I can directly put it here. Display. No, not this. I'm changing it to none. This is the initial behavior. Click to open pop-up. When I click on this, the pop-up should open. It means when I click on this, what is this means? How will I capture it? For that I need to use input. Capturing by input. Input with type as checkbox. It will be easy for us to understand, okay, if we use checkbox. Using checkbox, you need to give ID. ID needs something, okay. I am making it INP. Now making it close. Input is closed. Now when I click on this, it should checked. When I click on this, it also needs to be checked. It means in span I need to wrap it in a label, okay. Control X, label. Oh, okay. Wrapping it in a label and then putting it span here, and we need to give the for as same as the ID. Pop INP. So when you click on this, it should check it. Now if it's checked, we want to update something. It means when it checked it, we want to update something. For that, capturing the input directly with it is checked. For checked case, what you need to do is plus is for updating it, okay. When it is checked, I want the pop-up container to visible. Pop-up hyphen container to visible. Visible in the sense display flex, because we are using none and flex. So as per expected. Okay, just a second. When I click on it, it should show. Perfect. Now it is okay. It is not ended. When I click on this, it should close. We are opening it now. How to close it? I need to update this. Now how can I do that? Okay, how can I do that? Think about it. Now the easy option will be creating one more input to handle it. Okay, so or what can, we should not capture this id, and these two IDs should not be same, but if we make it, it will be a wrong sign actually. But we can use label. Okay, we want to put it in the same label, control X, label. When we click on this label should handle again from for pop inp. So when I click on this, it should open. When I click on this, it should close. See, when I click on this, it should open. When I click on this, it should close. So this way we can build it. Okay, pop up with this much code, only this much code. We have designed something which are unnecessary designing. The understanding is this: we can use input for JavaScript operations which are needed by using this kind of okay attributes or this kind of variance, that whether it is checked or not, selectors which are being given in CSS, we can handle it. Okay, if you learned something new, do comment below, and if you have some more challenges for us, then you can put it in comment. Thank you for now. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.